Hey, it's Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the 80mm axle back exhaust for the CX-5. So here at CorkSport, we're really excited about the facelift CX-5. The new body lines, the new grille, the interior styling, it all really comes together and takes an SUV to the next level. But what Mazda left out was those exhaust tips. They're kind of sunken into the bumper. You almost don't see them. They really don't stand out like they should. So here at CorkSport, we took this to the next level with our 80mm axle back exhaust. So like all CorkSport exhaust systems, the axle back for the CX-5 is manufactured from T304 stainless steel with TIG welded connections and joints and then polished to a mirror finish. To make installation a breeze, it fits like OE and comes with color step-by-step install instructions. Combining the quality components of this axle back exhaust with the friendly service at CorkSport, this really is a complete package for your CX-5 to take it to the next level. So thanks for tuning in to check out the CorkSport axle back exhaust. This is Barrett, tuning out.